Welcome to another episode of the Honda CM450 Cafe Racer build. Today we're going to be assembling more of the front end, so let's get into it. Cheers. So a couple quick updates. The first thing was we're in a new shop. If you haven't noticed yet, it's been posted on my Instagram. Second, I ended up tearing the bead on the first tire on the front wheel, so I had to take it to a shop, pay for a new tire, and have them do it properly. So just make sure you've got the right tools when you're doing a job and learn from my mistakes. That's gonna do it for today's episode. We got the front end mostly assembled. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna keep just plugging away on this Cafe Racer build. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot and it helps the channel grow. If you missed any of the previous episodes on this build, I'll put those up on the screen. And then lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys. Cheers.